Hi class and welcome to week 5. We only have a little over 1 week left in the course. Remember, you must have 30 hours of field experience completed by this upcoming Sunday, May 5th, or you will not pass the class. Please note that the last day of this class is Tuesday, May 7th. All assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on that day. No late work will be accepted for any reason. This week we will be learning about connecting with children, families, and the community. In addition to your weekly reading, you will participate in the Module 5 discussion, complete Part 4 of your course project, and submit your weekly field experience report. Please mark your calendars for the Module 5 live classroom session that will be this Tuesday, April 30th at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope you all can attend this live session so we can have an active and engaging conversation. If you cannot participate in the live session, you will be asked to review the recording and complete the live session quiz in order to receive credit. That's it for this week's announcements. As always, let me know if you have any questions.